Scene script. Have you ever wondered how the rich make their decisions? The wealthy, the affluent, the rich, whatever you call them, their decision-making process is fundamentally different from the average person's. Now you might be thinking, well, they're rich. Of course they think differently. But it's not just about the money, it's about the mindset. The wealthy approach decisions with a long-term perspective. Instead of thinking about the immediate gratification, they consider the future impact. They ask, how will this decision affect me 5, 10 or 20 years down the line? They're not afraid to forego short-term pleasure for long-term gain. This mindset is what separates them from the rest. Now let's talk about risk. A lot of people think the rich are reckless risk takers, but that's far from the truth. They're calculated risk managers. They understand that risk is part and parcel of wealth creation, but they don't gamble blindly. They assess, weigh the potential gains against the potential losses, and make informed decisions. It's not about avoiding risk altogether, but about taking smart, calculated risks. And then there's the value of time over money. The average person often prioritizes money over time. They'll spend countless hours to save a few bucks. But the wealthy, they understand that time is the most valuable asset. They know that time once spent can never be regained. So they prioritize their time, focusing on high-value tasks and delegating or outsourcing the rest. They don't trade their time for money, they invest their time to create more wealth. In essence, the wealthy think differently. They're forward-thinking, they're calculated risk-takers, and they value their time more than anything else. This mindset, this way of thinking and decision-making, is what sets them apart. It's not about having a mountain of money, it's about having the right mindset. So it's not just about having money, it's about how you think and make decisions. Now, let's delve deeper into one of the key strategies that the wealthy employ: investing. Investing is more than just throwing your money into a business or project. It's a calculated risk, a decision to commit your resources with the expectation of receiving more in return. The wealthy understand this concept very well. They know that money doesn't grow by sitting idle in a bank account. Instead, it grows when it's put to work, when it's invested wisely. So what does it mean to invest wisely? Well, successful investing requires two crucial elements: diversification and patience. Think of diversification as not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. This way, even if one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Diversification is a strategy to manage risk, a tactic that the wealthy use to protect their wealth from major losses. Then comes patience. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The rich understand that wealth accumulation takes time. They don't panic when the market dips or rush to sell when there's a minor setback. Instead, they stay the course, trusting in their investment strategy. They know that market fluctuations are part of the game and that over the long term, their investments will grow. Consider this: if you had invested $1,000 in a broad market index fund 20 years ago, today you'd have well over $7,000. That's the power of investing. That's how the wealthy build their fortunes. But remember, investing isn't a magic ticket to instant riches. It's a journey. It requires knowledge, strategy, and most importantly, patience. It's about making your money work for you, not you working for your money. It's about growing your wealth steadily, bit by bit, year after year. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about growing wealth steadily over time. But how do the wealthy get so good at making these decisions? The answer is simple: financial education. Financial education plays a pivotal role in the decision-making process of the affluent. It's not about being born with a silver spoon or having a stroke of luck. It's about understanding the intricacies of finance. This understanding empowers them to make informed decisions that lead to wealth accumulation. Think of it as a tool, a lens through which they view the world. It allows them to see opportunities where others see only risk. It's this knowledge that enables them to turn a profit, to grow their wealth, to secure their futures. They understand the value of a dollar, the power of compound interest, the impact of inflation. They know how to navigate the stock market, how to invest in real estate, how to exploit tax benefits. Financial education is the key to unlocking the door to wealth. It's not just for the rich, it's for everyone. Ever heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? This principle holds true, especially when it comes to the rich and their way of thinking. They understand the importance of surrounding themselves with success. Imagine you're in a room with 5 multimillionaires. Their conversations, their perspectives, their experiences, they all seep into your subconscious, gradually shifting your mindset towards prosperity. This is where mentors come into play. Mentors are not just teachers, they are guides who have walked the path you aspire to tread. They've faced trials, they've overcome obstacles, and they've savored success. The rich often seek advice from these experts, these mentors, to guide their financial decisions. They understand that the wisdom of someone who's been there, done that, is invaluable. So find your mentors, learn from them, and see how your decisions change. So what can we take away from understanding how the rich make decisions? We've explored the importance of a wealthy mindset, one that values long-term thinking over immediate gratification. We've discovered the power of investing, of making your money work for you rather than the other way around. We've underscored the vital role of financial education, which arms us with the tools and knowledge to make informed financial decisions. And we've emphasized the impact of mentors, those individuals who've walked the path before us and can guide us through the financial wilderness. Now it's time for you to reflect. Look at your own decision-making. Do you see elements of long-term thinking? Are you investing wisely? Are you continually seeking to educate yourself about finance? Do you have a mentor who's guiding you? Leave a comment with your takeaways from this video, and remember to follow and subscribe for more empowering financial content.